Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Let us have a look at the question number 1. Observe the figures below and write the type of triangle based on its angle. Have a look at the first diagram. Here in triangle PQR, angle Q is shown right angle. So, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Okay, now let us have a look at the second figure in triangle XYZ. Angle Y, its measure is shown 125 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. It means it is of course an obtuse angle triangle. So let us write here XYZ is an obtuse angled triangle. Now looking at the third figure, every angle is less than 90 degree. So obviously children, it is an acute angle triangle. So let's write here triangle LMN is an acute angled triangle. Okay, so hope so you all must have understood this question 1. It is very easy to write down the type of triangle based on its angles. Now we'll study question number 2. Students, let's see the question number 2. Observe the figures below and write the type of triangle based on its sides. Look at the first diagram. Here in the triangle ABC, all three sides are shown equal. This symbol shows each and every side of this triangle is equal in length. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now, look at the second diagram. For this triangle DEF, here one single line, here two lines, here three lines. It means all three sides are different. We have studied the definition when no two sides are equal, that is scalene triangle. So, triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. Now, in figure number 3, in the triangle UVW, segment UV and segment UW, these two sides are shown equal or having same size. So, that is isosceles triangle. So, let's write triangle UVW is isosceles triangle. Alright, so this is how we have studied question number 2. It's very easy to write down names of the triangle based on the angles and based on its sides. Now we'll solve question number 3. Students, have a look at the question number 3. Suppose in this diagram, this boy is Avinash. It is his house. The distance to show that a triangle is given and it is his school. It is just assumption, children. So let's have a look at the question. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to the school. Which way is shorter? Explain why. Students, now distance AC is shorter. Distance AC is shorter. Why it is shorter? We have studied the property AB, or we can write by the property of a triangle AB plus BC is greater than AC. It means AC is less than AB plus AC. That is, distance AC is less than AB plus BC. So by using this property, if Avinash use this road AC, will be the shorter distance to reach to the school. Student, let us see question number 4. The lengths of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. See, in the first example, 3 sides are given: 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All 3 sides are different. So here we can write no two sides are equal. Therefore, this is a scalene triangle. Alright. Now let's have a look at example number 2. Sides are given 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here 2 sides are equal, so it is of course an isosceles triangle. So right here 2 sides are equal. Therefore, it is an isosceles triangle. Student, let's see example number 3. 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. It means all 3 sides are equal. So of course it is an equilateral triangle. So right here all 3 sides are equal. Therefore, it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now let's see example number 4. 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Here all 3 measurements are given different. So when no 2 sides are equal, of course it is a scalene triangle. Now let's write here reason. No 2 sides are equal. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Okay, so you all must have understood this question 4 properly. Now we'll solve question number 5.
Students, we have taken lots of efforts to prepare this video. So, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.